Okay, so this is just a quick video explaining how to take a program that you've built in App Inventor and download that to your computer or your Chromebook, and then turn it in to Canvas so it can get graded, right? So without further ado, let's get started looking at that. In this particular setting, what I have here is the App Inventor program that I want to download. Okay, so here I've already opened it up. So that's the first thing you'll need to do. Go into App Inventor, log in, get the program that you're going to download opened up. Okay, so this particular one is a stopwatch program that I've built, and that's the one I'm going to show you how to download. So once you've got that open, the first thing you're going to do is go into My Projects and choose Select or export selected project to my computer. Okay, so this is just like we've done in other situations, sharing it in Google Drives and things like that. It's going to give you the option to download it. If it lets you change the name, which it may not, okay, at some point, if you can change the name, that's ideal. If it lets you change the name, there's two things I need you to do. One thing I need you to do is put your last name at the front. Okay, put your last name at the front. And no spaces. Okay, so your last name at the front and no spaces. And then if it has this parentheses 1 at the end, delete that. All right, so that's the way I need it to look. If it's at all possible for you to change it, it might let you change the name right now as you download it. After it downloads, you should get a little pop-up window that shows that it downloaded. This is what it looks like on my Windows computer. Obviously, your pop-up will look different on a Chromebook or a Mac. If it didn't let you change the name before, then maybe right now you would be able to go to Show in Folder. And once you get it in the folder, you would be able to share, you'd be able to change the name there. So you can always go in and rename it there. So that might be an option for you. Okay, but ideally try and change the name if you can. Once you get that downloaded, then we're going to go into Canvas. Obviously, you'll log into our class. You'll want to find the particular assignment that you're turning in. So wherever that's at, whatever the easiest way to get there is. Oops, sorry, I should have done all of this before. Let me just scroll down here. There we go. All right, so I'm doing the stopwatch is what I'm doing. So I'm going to click on this. And you should have a Submit Assignment button when you get here. So I'm going to choose Submit Assignment. And it'll give me the option to upload a file. Okay, so I'm going to choose File. And we're going to find that file that we just downloaded. So for me, it's convenient because it just pops right up as the first option. If it doesn't for you, then you might have to search for it and find it. But we're going to choose that file. Now, here's one thing that's important. When you select that file, let me click on this again so you can see it. Notice how it ends with .aia. That is important. If it does not end with .aia, then Canvas will not let you upload it. So make sure your file, preferably it starts with your name. It should have no spaces or parentheses in the name at all. And it should end with .aia. So that's what we're looking for. Then once you've got that selected, you just hit Submit Assignment. It'll think for a minute. And now it shows that I've submitted it. I was late submitting it, but that's okay. It is submitted. And if you're ever curious, you probably know this already. If you hit Submission Details, it'll show that you've submitted it. And this is all you can see, but it'll show that you've submitted it. All right, so that's how you're going to turn assignments in that you've built in App Inventor, but you're going to turn in using Canvas. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a good one.